Welcome to my channel, Art Lover. In this video, I would like to break 5 common mistakes that even seasoned painter can do and what to do to avoid them. Mistake number 1: overworking the painting. In search of perfection, we sometimes kill the magic. Muddy colors, a lifeless surface, or worse, a change in dimension, like an eye getting bigger. These are the price of not knowing when to stop. To avoid mistake number 1, plan first. Trust your brushwork and know when to step away. Mistake number 2: mistaking the light from the dark. If you want to study light and dark, I would start with Caravaggio. No one balanced shadow and light like he did. His paintings teach us how light and dark can guide the eye, create emotion, and tell a story without a single word. To avoid mistake number 2, use a 9-value scale. Squint often. Do not look at your darks for too long. They will appear lighter. And remember, light and dark, they don't speak to each other. Since light and dark should never cross their boundaries, it means that my darkest light cannot be the same value as my lightest dark. Mistake number 3: painting too much from photograph. When a photograph uses multiple light sources, it can look perfect in a photo. However, for a realist painter, it's a nightmare. The shadows are diluted, the light feels flat, and the depth is gone. When painting, you will need one light source, preferably natural. It will give you clear shadows, beautiful light, and real form. Mistake number 4: neglecting your edges. Neglect your edges and your painting will suffer. Leonardo da Vinci knew this very well. He believed that form doesn't end with a line. It dissolves, it breathes. Look at the Mona Lisa. No harsh outlines, just soft transitions, subtle shifts. That's what gives the famous sfumato. When you ignore your edges, you flatten the life out of your work. But when you control them, you give your subject presence, weight, and mystery. Whether it's hard, soft, or lost, let your edges whisper, not scream. Mistake number 5: painting for what you think instead of what you see. To avoid mistake number 5, train your eyes and your observation. You can also use a mirror It would change your point of view, and you will be able to better spot your inconsistencies. Or you could always paint upside down. Easier done with photos than with real life. Out of these 5 mistakes, which one do you struggle with the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience and what you're working on.